When you first started your YouTube channel, I bet you had a goal in mind, a number. On my first channel, that was 10,000 subscribers. For many of you watching, the massive goal will be to get to 1 million subscribers. But the hard reality is that for most YouTube channels, forget that, pretty much all YouTube channels, they don't even scratch the surface of that initial goal at all. And as for my first channel, that was the reality. This is because so many creators and channels are set up to fail, right from the beginning. And mistakes were made before a video was even recorded. Carry on watching this video and I'll tell you what these mistakes are and how you can make sure that your channel doesn't have the same fate and that you can smash through those goals in the near future. Making a YouTube channel and making videos seems like a simple process, but if you want the channel and videos to be a great success, life-changing success, you have to plan deeper than just making some content. You need to look years into the future and see where your channel may lead and what position your life will be in. Do you see yourself making a business or a side hustle? And how does your channel shape up for this purpose? I touched on this in a recent video, but we've all been led to believe that we need millions of views to change our lives from YouTube. When in reality, if you shift your mindset more towards business and leads, even a 200 viewed video could end up paying for your rent. So maybe shift your strategy or your mindset before you lead yourself down a path that doesn't serve you or your future goals, and which will inevitably leave your channel in the dust. Many creators also make the mistake of choosing a channel idea that they don't really care about deep down. You have to understand that YouTube as a career is really tough to get going, especially if you're not looking at it in a business perspective. You may need to make hundreds of videos to get anything in return, so it needs to be around something that you are intrinsically passionate about and have a purpose for. Something that you are obsessed with and always will be in some capacity. If you can't imagine yourself being interested in this topic in a few years and after making hundreds of videos on it, then you're likely looking in the wrong direction. And you're likely to give up on your channel before you see any of the rewards. As I alluded to right there, YouTube is extremely hard and can often feel incredibly unfair. That's why expectations is another factor that you have to keep in check with your channel goals too. I get it. All of us want crazy success and millions of views. But the truth is, unless you're extremely lucky or extremely skilled, your first years on YouTube will look dead on the back end. And you're gonna have to get used to seeing 10 views, 100 views, and maybe occasionally 1,000 views on your videos. And understanding that this doesn't entirely reflect the true value that you're providing to people. So after this video, I want you to take the time to reflect on your channel or your channel plans and look deeper into where it's heading. Think about where you want to be in a few years, and maybe look inwardly about what really motivates you and what you're passionate about. Content creation is a tough gig, and there's so many jobs that you have to handle if you're doing it alone. Video editing and thumbnail design often being the most exhausting and time consuming. If this is the case for you, why not head to our website down below and let us help you with this, so you can get more videos out and fast. If you want to see more value from myself about how you can make your YouTube dream a reality, just hit that subscribe button down below. Peace.